Hello everybody, today we'll be doing something different. We're gonna be playing a game called, what's this game called again? Oh right, the powder toy. So, we're gonna be making the furnace in this video. We have coal, oops, wrong thing. We have coal, and we have titanium. Put that together, and then put in a little fire, we have the furnace. Not really, there's still a lot to be done. This won't work. What happened there is that the wrong button again. The smoke smothered the fire because smoke can do that. So how we fix this is by adding this little hole on top where all the smoke escapes through. Now you can see the fire is lasting a lot longer. And that's basically it. We've made a furnace now. If we want to make this flaker, we can add thermite, because thermite gets very hot and can turn to plasma. But as you can see, it is very good at breaking through titanium. Well, that's basically it. I guess we could make a lava cauldron or something. And we've made a lava. Why do I keep pressing the wrong buttons? Well, as you can see, it turned to stone. Turn it back. We just need to go into tools, heat, and then heat it up a whole bunch. Like a whole bunch. Like heat it up so much that it melts into lava. See? Or we could go here and turn off these, and then it doesn't turn back to stone. But it also doesn't turn to lava. So we're gonna have to clear this out manually. There. And then we'll just add a bit of lava. And it melted all the way through because it doesn't cool down. So it just melts through. Well, that failed. Could make a bomb with nitroglycerin because it's pretty explosive. Make a bomb with explosive, we're gonna make this out of wood. Done, there's a bomb, it's that easy. Or you can put gunpowder instead of nitroglycerin. Both work just fine. See? Both work just fine. Also got fuse, it runs slowly but like it only burns at high temperatures as it says down there, or with electricity. Actually, we could try that. I haven't actually tried it with electricity. It doesn't seem to be doing something. Maybe it means electrons? Could mean electrons. Nope, not with electrons. But I do know something it does burn with. Plasma. Said it burns with plasma. Huh. Oh right, I turned off heat simulation. Guess maybe that could be the reason. Yep, as you can see, plasma works. Plasma can also destroy titanium, quite much like the molten thermite. You could make a nuclear reactor. I do know how to make those. So we should actually probably clear all this up. And this is basically all we need for one. Although we do still need to worry about temperature and pressure, because this not that big, will have a little pressure, but as well as that, it also doesn't have any coolants to cool it down. So if you try doing this, well, as soon as the deuterium reacts with the neutrons, it's gonna start breaking, see? Broken there. Well, kind of broken there. A neutron escaped. We don't want that. The way I fix this is by using an indestructible material called diamond. In real life, it can very easily shatter, which means the pressure will just instantly break it, but it doesn't do that in this game, see? It doesn't break it all, despite how much pressure is on it. But yeah, that's basically just gonna be it. Not much to this video, really. You can just see this neutron reactor, neutron, or radioactive reactor just go boom. Yeah, there's not really much to this. And now there's just everything is gone everywhere, so I need to clean this all up. You could just press the new button down there. But why should we do that? That's boring. Anyway, that's it for this video. It's just for messing around with stuff in powdertoy. We can use fans to make things go being blown away. Yeah, we can just use it to make things get blown away. Yeah, it's not affecting things down here, but it's affecting things up there. Anyways, that's it for this video. Bye, the very good people who's gonna watch this. Keep putting some broken cools. And maybe ignite that broken cools in fire. This. And now there's just a bunch of fire everywhere. That wasn't the best idea, but we can always easily clear things to gravity by changing the edge to void. Now everything will just fall into the void. However, for these fans, we need to use the erasable things because they're type of cool. And smoke's still floating around a bit, but yeah, that's basically it. What's this? Is it gravity? It's something that gets affected by. What is this? And what does it do? You do that? Ew. Whoa, that actually kind of looks cool. I didn't expect it to look so cool. It's gonna look so cool. Just lines up here. Looks like compasses almost. See these ones up here? They almost look like compasses, don't they? Yeah, they do, don't they? These things are just little compasses. Oh, I bet they change depending on where they're placed. Anyways, that'll just be it for this video. Bye, the few people who decide to watch this yet again. I'll just be here cleaning this up.